Join a club, unveiling the joy of group involvement. Hello and welcome to our English learning journey. Today, we're diving into a common English phrase, join a club. This phrase is not just about the action itself, but it's also about embracing new experiences and community involvement. So, let's explore what it means to join a club and how you can use this phrase in everyday English. The phrase, join a club, is straightforward yet rich in meaning. It means to become a member of a club or an organization. Clubs can be about anything: sports, arts, technology, books, and more. The key aspect here is participation and involvement in a group with a shared interest. Joining a club has many benefits. It allows you to meet new people, learn new skills, and engage in activities you enjoy. For example, if you join a photography club, you'll meet fellow photography enthusiasts, learn new techniques, and participate in photo walks or competitions. You can use join a club in different contexts. For instance, I want to join a club to make new friends. She joined the chess club at school. Joining a club can be a great way to spend your free time. It's a versatile phrase that fits into various sentences and situations. In many English-speaking countries, joining clubs is a significant part of social life. It reflects a culture of community and shared interests. Schools and colleges often encourage students to join clubs as it aids in their holistic development. We hope this video has illuminated the phrase, join a club, for you. Remember, it's all about community, shared interests, and personal growth. Don't hesitate to take that step and join a club that interests you. It might open doors to wonderful new experiences and friendships. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.